So this is the final photo shoot that we had. What's up my JAeS, my Jazzy, Aristocratic Aesthetic subscribers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Laystonjay, and for today's video guys, we're gonna test some TikTok trending photography hacks. Yes! So ito yung kasama ko. Ayan mga ready na sila. So ito yung mga kapatid ko, pinsan ko. Ayan. So without any further ado, let's get started. First TikTok photography ideas. Itong nasa video na to. Ayan. So, meron kaming kunuwang flowers, hindi lang siya flowers talaga, wala kasing daisies dito sa Pilipinas. So, itong kunuha namin sa mga damo-damo lang, ligaw na damo lang. And then, gagamitin namin is phone niya. Ayan, pakita mo yung phone mo. Dahil hindi siya magpo-focus dun sa camera namin sa DSLR. So ito na, gagawin na namin. Go! Photography hack is this video. Ayan, so gagawin namin yan, dyaryo na yan, para maging parang cinematic film. And lahat ng pictures namin pala is i-post namin sa end of this video. So next naman natin is this. Ayan, dito na natalagay. Ayan, yung mugshot, parang mugshot spotlight effect, yung ganun. Kasi usong-uso siya. And ngayon parang namin gagawin kahit taos na yun. So ito na. Let's get it. akin ang TikTok na to, photography hacks. Pero gagawin naman natin is yung this thing is yung ginagamitan ng smart TV and i-connect siya sa cellphone through ayan dito. So, ito na. Tignan natin. Ayun na nga yung 4 photography hacks na gawin namin. So, 4 lang pala siya. Hindi ko alam na konti na pala na gawin namin. Pero that is all for this video, guys. Hope you like this video. And if you did, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para may updated kayo sa mga video ko. So, this is the final photo shoot that we had.
Missing someone with all your missing someone with heart. How much you missing, and you deserve, and you deserve, and you deserve. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal